Hello traders, the title of the video is how to use RSI indicator to improve fifth wave trading. There is something that we see very often during the fifth wave, generally speaking. So you count wave, one, two, three, four, five waves, all right? And you say, all right, this is the fifth wave, all right? And you are looking down to the RSI period 14, and this is something that I want you to see also today, is that very often, all right, during the fifth wave, we will notice that we will see, especially the bullish fifth wave, we will see a bearish RSI divergence. So the RSI will be going down during the fifth wave like this. So first, when the fifth wave starting, it will start going up, going up, going up, and then halfway, it starts going down. This is a bearish divergence. When the price is still going up during the fifth wave, the RSI is start shaking its head and say deny, 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 deny. And then people will try to sell it. As you can see here, these are RSI traders. They try to force it down. The price say nah, nah. RSI is going down. And the question is, are they trading the RSI or are they trading the price? So this is something that we know that is happening quite often. And it's still here. And I'm looking at it, I'm saying, well, is it the same episode again that we're going to watch? Probably. So when we see like this during the fifth wave, what usually takes place, the RSI will be going down, going down, going down like this, while the price is going up. After a while, both the RSI and the price will be going up together. Confirmation. So our expectation, this is about how to use RSI indicator to improve fifth wave trading. Looking at this, I'm thinking that as it happened many times, there is a high chance that the RSI will go up together with the price until it goes a little bit above the overbought zone before people will sell it again. This is my forecast for the RSI. And probably the price will do the same thing, go up a little bit before they will bring it down. Now some traders may say, George, this is why I love you so much. And I say to you, thank you very much. All right? But don't get carried away. Okay? This is an expectation. This is something that we have observed that have been played many times. It does not mean that this time definitely it will happen. But the advantage that we have is that we know that something has been happening before and we know that it can happen again. So our advantage is that when they start doing exactly what we're expecting, we have an edge and we can take advantage of it. But don't go before it starts happening. The expectation is one thing, okay? The reality is a different, all right? So don't get carried away. The most important thing, the objective of recording this video is to share with you something that I already know. So when you are in a fifth wave and you see it happening, you stay calm and you watch it and you make sure that you get paid. But sometimes traders get into trouble because they count their wave they count their wave wrongly. So you can see, my apologies to traders, You can see here when I was counting where I put a question mark and free here, you see. So the question we are asking, are we truly in a fifth wave? Or is just a portion of a bigger third wave? Because when the third wave is extended, sometimes in your wave traders can get a little bit into trouble because they will think that they are in a fifth wave, but they are not yet in a fifth wave. It's not um, a technical mistake because they will buy when they need to buy, they will sell when they want to sell, but it's a wave count mistake. It's a temporary mistake because as the price start going up more, they will see that okay, we need to adjust accordingly when they are reviewing their previous wave count. So why am I talking like this? Is that sometimes you may call something fifth wave and you may see the RSI behaving like this. And things can be different, meaning that it may not go up like and come back down and people sell it down, especially if you are in a third wave instead of the fifth wave, but you are thinking that you are in a fifth wave. So going back to my wave count, you can see here I count the first wave, and this one was so deep. Again, you can see a question mark. Those things were there for months, you know. I didn't put them today. Question mark is still there. That's why we leave them there. And I say probably this is instead the second wave right here, meaning that first wave, second wave. Probably we call this one cancel it. But as I leave it, because you know, preliminary wave count going to the mind of other traders and so on until you are satisfied. I leave it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the question mark, is it a third wave or fifth wave? Here it is. If it's truly fifth wave, then we'll be looking out for this scenario like this. Does it mean that definitely will happen if this is the fifth wave? It may happen because it has happened before. It may not happen. It's not because it has happened before, then definitely it will happen today. All right. All in all, map out the chart, draw your trend line, draw your channel, and look for trading setup on the edge. All right. If you have any questions, suggestion, lament, blah blah blah, be sure to put them in the comment section. I always read all the comments. And in due course, behold, I will be recording another video to answer your specific questions. Recently, there was a gentleman from a dark crypto that was asking me to review, all right, the Bitcoin because it has been some time. This is a good habit of the expert area with traders going back again. And I will do that in due course. You see, I'm reading the comment. So do not hesitate to put your question in the comment section, your thoughts. So there was another person who said, George, somebody else should be doing the recording. And I said, no, you have to get used to my frog accent, my beautiful Texas accents. They say it's not Texas, it's a frog accent. Okay, but these are fair comments, all right? So I read them all, okay? So put them there. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up, okay? If you think that, George, I'm not impressed, be sure to mark it down. I do care about traders that are marking a video down as much as I care about those that are marking it up. So if you don't like it, let us know, please. You think it's an essential tutorial, you see, George, well, you have done it today. You finally, after 1 year, have been subscribing to your channel. The first time, I've been very impressed. I'll share it on Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Scoop it, on the social media. And I will also talk about the 24 in your way on various trading forums, inviting my friend to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to 24 in your way today, and be sure to click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Attention to the pitchfork tool. Here it is for those of you that are trading this stock. You see this long tail trying to pierce this one. Are they going to bring it back up? Use a different time frame trading method to trade it. We are on the edge of the common center line, which is the turquoise line there. We leave find enough room above the pitchfork tool and the turquoise line. By the way, before I close it, this was what? A hot spot trading zone. Why? Because of the intersection between the turquoise line and this line of the pitchfork tool. we can draw as many lines through a hot spot trading zone. Was there a trading setup? It looks to me there was a trading setup where at a hot spot trading zone. Are you getting it out? What's going on here? Now drop down to the daily chart to see what's going on there. What's this one? Is that doji? It says Z a star. See, George, it's not doji, it's a star. George. All right. All right. I now go to the go to the daily chart so to draw other lines. So daily chart. Okay, we can draw. So you may see clearly what's happening here. All right. And make excellent decision. Okay, all right. If you drop down to the hourly time frame, it's a kind of a consolidation, acknowledging. You see that beautiful turquoise line. You see why it's so important to use a different time frame. So on the hourly time frame, it went up, it consolidated, now it went up, it's consolidating in a rising channel. ABC or technical trading on the hourly time frame. Watch this line. 28027 on the hourly time frame. Am I shouting? My apology. On the hour, oh, yellow is not very clear, it's just okay. That's it. Went up, consolidation, A, B, and the C. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about, what were we talking about? Huh? I forgot now. Talking about Elliott wave or blah blah blah. Okay. Talking about how to use the RSI indicator to improve a fifth wave trading. Right, so to summarize this video, we are in a fifth wave. We see a bearish divergence. All right. Don't jump on it. Don't rush to sell yet. Very often, both the RSI and CCI, both the RSI and the price will go up together. And then when the RSI reaches the overbought zone, and we are on the edge, and we have a good reason to sell, we implement a different time frame trading method to sell it like a pro. Looking at this chart at this junction, if we are truly in a fifth wave, then we'll expect another move up, all right? And then if the RSI reaches overbought zone, we now look for an opportunity to sell using a different time frame trading method. Will it happen? We'll come back to that another day to see whether, okay, our forecast has been useful or not. The financial instrument that we are analyzing today, you want to know, yes or no, is Anthem Incorporated. Like a national anthems, okay? Anthem Incorporated, EPIC, ANTM, Alpha November Tango Mike. Anthem Incorporated, belonging to the healthcare sector. Check it out. I'm on a monthly chart, right? And I implement a different time frame trading method. Put it on your bullish watch list, and then when the scenario is completed, put it on your bearish watch list. If we are in a third wave, we may not see clearly the pattern being fulfilled. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to use the RSI indicator to improve a fifth wave trading. Are you a fifth wave trader? That is the question. Happy talking to you all, and I will speak to you as